What's up guys? Check out this really nice adjustable camping table. This is perfect to take with you camping outdoors or even take it indoors with you if you need some extra space, especially if you're throwing a party and you need some extra space for your food. It's great to just set it right on this table, especially because of the design of it. I love how beautiful this table looks. It's definitely a classier adjustable table, and I love how easy it is to put together. So this table comes in a nice carrying case, easy just to unfold it and put it together. There's a spot in the middle of the table where the support system clips in. And then you're gonna run these faux aluminum slats across the table. And then there's a clip on each end where you're gonna clip it right into the frame of the table. And it locks down really nice. And like I said, it's really stable. And it's just a great looking table. The legs are adjustable to 3 different levels. And all you have to do is push the button and just pull the leg out and just snap it right into place. So you can go around to all 4 sides and do that and adjust the table up and down to your desired height. Now the material of the frame is nice and solid. I love the coating on it, so you know it's not gonna rust. And this is just gonna hold up really well, whether it's in the elements when you're camping, or like I said, bringing it indoors and just having a party and you need just an extra little space. This is a great table to set out. So if you're looking for a really nice adjustable camping table, this one right here is a great choice. Thanks for watching.